Hey everybody, so I had a leak under the sink where it goes into the dishwasher, and that was a culprit. So I just had these supplies here, and I had to change some stuff underneath the sink. You're gonna need some of these because I had to mimic what I had under there, and some PVC. I got me one of these from Lowe's because the one I had was leaking, and I didn't want to just change the gasket, and it was so I just figured I'd do the whole thing. To the right, you see the silver is going into the dishwasher. I had that dish under there to catch the leak, catch the drip, and that's where it goes into the wall on the left. So I had to redo all of that, and I really didn't want to because I hate doing plumbing because I'm not that good at it. So I had to give it a try. So that's a new one I got. It has the shark bite on both ends. That way I didn't have to glue it or do anything crazy. The shark bite is pretty good. Throw some of that up there. Follow the instructions. Don't do too much. And that's going to be the male end that goes into the dishwasher. Just follow the instructions on the cement. You should be good. I'm not a like a pro or anything. I just had to measure it, make sure I had enough because I wanted to move it. I didn't want it to have like the original setup. I wanted to take the valve and move it further towards where it goes into the wall. So that's the finished product with the cement. Obviously, I'm not a pro, so just measure that. You can have the valve anywhere you want. Honestly, you just have to measure and see how long you want it or how far down. But the issue is with the nozzle, you have to make sure you have it situated the right way. Now, so this is the section that's going into the dishwasher. Get you the pipe cutter, and then carefully do your pipe. Cut that the right way. I use these tools to hold those two together as I put them together, and also I use Teflon tape. Now, before all of this is started, what you have to do is go to the road or go to the main shut off, shut all the water off to the house before you start cutting into anything. Using the sharp bite, it worked pretty good. This valve, it served the purpose. It didn't seem to leak or anything. I had to press it all the way in, and you can also take this stuff off. It comes with a little piece where you can undo it if you didn't do it right, or have to undo them. And if you have it set up like this, pay attention to the on-off directions. If it's too close to the wall, you can't turn it but one way. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.